Did you know there's a POD website that just launched an AI design features that can create designs in seconds? No Photoshop, no Canva, no design skills at all. Just type your idea and wow, you have got your designs ready to upload to your store. Hi guys, this is Priyanka and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I am always searching for quality print-on-demand websites which are easy to use and beginner-friendly. Recently, I came across an amazing platform called PrintKK, a print-on-demand website. What really caught my attention is their brand new AI design feature. So let's start. Let's go to PrintKK.com, and as you guys can see, the website is super cool and easy to use. You guys can create a free account here. As I already have my account here, so I'm just logging into my dashboard. Now let's head straight to the AI feature. We have different AI models here, and let's get started. Here's something important to know. PrintKK works best when you add prompt along with a reference image. For example, I have taken this photo from Google. You can take your reference image from internet or pinterest.com, and I am just modifying the prompt here. Cute cat with coffee cup pasted cartoon style, and I'm going to hit generate. Now depending on your internet connection, it can take up to few seconds to few minutes. Wow, just look at the results, so cool. These are the results from model 3, and now I'm going to test model 1 here. For model 1 we don't need prompt, we can just select our image and artistical style. Reference similarity we will keep it a bit low. Number of images I will keep 4 as it is, and I'm going to hit generate now and submit. So let's wait. Wow, this is awesome. Looks like print ready, and the good thing is we can upload this design directly to any PrintKK product here. For example, I'm taking a hoodie and uploading this design. You can see guys, this is so amazing. So let's save it. Here is the secret. The more detailed your prompt and reference image, the better your designs will be. And writing the prompt feels tricky for you, then don't worry, I have got you covered here. Go to ChatGPT and upload your reference image and ask it to generate a prompt for you based on the image. It is going to give you exact ready-made prompt which you can copy paste into PrintKK dashboard along with your reference image and hit submit. Let's wait for a few moments, and here are the fantastic results. Super cute images, and personally I like this both one, so I'm going to download this image. These images were generated by model 2, and you can look at the clarity and quality of the image. The detailing of this panda is looking super cute, and this design is absolutely ready to upload on your store. Now let's explore another feature, which is extract a pattern from the image. So for that I'm going to upload a dress here. Okay, so I have this dress image which I downloaded from the Google, and let's see if PrintKK pattern extractor AI can extract this pattern from the dress. We can also name the task in the task section and add tags as well. So I'm going to name the task as pattern, and I'm going to use a tag called floral, and let's generate image. So after waiting for a few moments, it has successfully extracted a pattern from the dress. This is a super useful feature if you want to turn your existing designs into a different style or variation for your POD store. Now I am re-uploading the pattern it has just created to check if we can create a similar variation of the pattern. So I have uploaded the pattern here. I'm going to set the reference image similarity from 0 to 1% only and change the prompt into floral pattern color pink background and white flowers using model 2 and boom, look at the results guys. I mean, just super cool patterns we have, so beautiful patterns. We can use these pattern designs for POD products like blankets, pillow covers. So beautiful, just mind blowing. Here in the my task we can see all the designs we have generated so far. So this is all about PrintKK's AI feature. I hope you guys like the tutorial. Okay, so let me share my personal opinion. For someone like me living with a disability, creating designs using manual softwares like Canva, Adobe Illustrator takes a lot of time and effort. That's why I find PrintKK's new AI tool is mind-blowing. It's not just saving me time, it's giving me freedom to upload more quality products on my store. And for the beginners who feel stuck because they cannot design, this feature completely removes that barrier. It makes print on demand so much of easy without compromising on design quality. PrintKK is a revolutionary POD site which can be easily integrated with Shopify, Wix, Etsy, WooCommerce and almost every other platform. Now, AI is the big highlight of PrintKK, but they also have a solid and unique product catalog, which makes them very different and unique from the rest of print on demand websites out there in the market. I am going to test their products soon and will share my honest review with you all in my future videos. So, what do you think? Is AI the future of POD? Personally, I feel PrintKK's AI design feature is real game changer. And I will definitely like to keep exploring it and sharing more updates with you all. If you would like to try it yourself, I will leave link in the description box. Go check it out and start creating your own cool designs today. And here is the fun challenge. Comment your craziest prompt idea and I will test it in my upcoming videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more POD related tips and hidden tools like this. Stay tuned. Bye.